Falcha, gastronomia. Time for my lesson. So to help get me in the mood, got to have a little bit. And I know I'll probably get slagged for it, but there you go. I don't know. I like watching it, the head cascade down. One of my quirks. I always miss. It's right there. It's right there, and now the can's down there. I aimed for the back edge, and it just curved like that. Boom. Oh, there's a reason the Toronto Raptors don't call me up. So, not last chance. We are now starting Section 2, Unit 1. Turn this volume up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my speaker to make it easier to hear. I have a hard time hearing that thing. Where the hell's my damn speaker? Here's my speaker. It doesn't want to turn on. Hey. Is it dead? Oh, it's on. It's not connected. Now I gotta, this is the monster connecting.
Your device is connected.
All right, so let's start. Section 2, Unit 1. Start.
Skirta.
Skarta. It's multiple choice. I'm going to assume it's skart. I guess correctly.
Skirta.
Skarta.
Guna.
Guna. Whew. Guna.
Guna. Guna.
Guna. So out of that, guna. This is a word I've never come across before, so I hate it when they throw these words at you. At least give us I'm guessing. My guess is shoe. The running shoe, because gonna kind of sounds like, gunboats, gun shoes. I don't know. I'm not correct, I know that, so I'm guessing, because I was reading a book. I was struggling to read it since it's in Huelga. I remember girl dress. My memory is better than it used to be.
Kota.
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 Kota. I say coat. Some Huelga words are similar in Berla. Correct.
Kota.
Let's hear this again.
Kota.
And Kota and
Kota.
correct. It gave me a mishmash choice.
Takota agam.
Takota agam. Takota agam. You know what? I'm being really stupid. Ta is like is, right? Agam is me, like I have. So is a ta is like, is it an adverb? Verb? I'm terrible when it comes to things like it's a verb, noun. Well, nouns I know. It's a verb, adverb, adjective, or subjective, superlative. I don't freaking know. Is it an elephant's foot? Maybe. Takota Agam.
Takota Agam.
I have a coat. I know what it means. Woo! I got it. I wish I was holding that up because it lightning bolt. I'm gonna try to hold the next one up.
Brogue.
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 Oh, I saw this movie, this show. It was about spies, like James Bond. But it was the Kingsman, and he told him Oxford's not brogues. So
Brogue.
brogue, I think that's the shoe. Thank you, TV.
Lena.
Lena's got to be the last one.
Lena.
Has got to be a shirt. See?
Lena.
So I pick shirt. I got it highlighted. Let's see. Correctamundo.
Nabroga. Na.
The shoes.
Nabroga.
It's the shoes. Correct.
Naskirti. Naskirti.
The skirts. I'm doing that because I want to see the lightning again.
Kanguna.
Huh?
Kanguna. Kang. Kanguna.
Kahumguna. Something shoes. Im is like because it's him. I'm thinking that's me. It gives me a multiple choice at the bottom. I'm gonna select I wear shoes. No, dress. I wear a dress. Guna is dress, not shoes.
Guna.
So let's see. I see. I keep thinking shoes. So let's check this out. You saw the lightning. I got it right.
Kamitsanguna.
We wear kamits.
Kamits. Kamitsanguna.
Kamitsanguna. We wear the dress.
Guna.
Correct the Mondandino. Now, I have my a TikTok that I use specifically just for Huelga. And I follow just about everybody there is Irish, Aranak. I'm really trying to reconnect. I mean, I'm coming from someone that's like been ignorant of my background forever. I'm entering the evening of my life, so to speak. The dusk of my life. So many more years behind me than ahead. And I really want to connect with my people. So I met there was one of the girls that was on there. What are they? Guelgior? She does a lot, like, for the language, this pronounces this like that. So I left a comment. And I mentioned how I was trying to reconnect. And she offered to DM me back and forth to help me learn. And I thought, that's so awesome. Irish are like the best people ever. Let's continue. We wear. So no, there's no voice prompts now, so now I just gotta pick the correct one. We wear Comet, Piodar, Luca. Luca is mice. Pilbar. Pibar. Pepper. Oh wow. Can I turn this around? I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see right there, that red. Ooh, that's a 1940s pickup truck. It honestly looked like a 1941, 1942, and I was like, oh, I love that era of pickups. Anyway, Comet.
Comets.
Comets. See? Comets. That's the word. Can you see it? She says it with an S. All right, we won't say it now. Comets.
Kahantiguna. Kahantiguna.
Kahintiguna.
Kahan.
Kahintuguna.
Duna.
You wear a dress? Correct. So now I gotta find out what the Lerga word for correct is. Wow, I've learned 10 new words for today. Ask me in an hour and I won't remember them. So I'll review and review and review.
Kahan on fire broga. Kahan. Fire broga.
So let's hear this again. Is my volume up, Max? There we go.
Kahan. On fire broga. Kahan. On fire broga.
The man wears shoes. The man wears shoes.
Kahmit na lenta.
What?
Lenta.
Sorry, there's a crosswalk right here and there's people walking by there looking at me funny. Not you.
Kahimit.
We wear lenta. We wear lenta. Lenta. We wear the shirts. Correct. Shirts. Lenta. I just learned
Lens.
that. Lens. See, she says it differently. He said lenta. She says lens. Top the matching pairs. There we go. Carrot.
Carrot.
Carrot. Cats.
Touch.
Lion.
Loan.
Loan. Inda. Sa.
Sa.
I wear.
Kahan.
Ooh, I just got lightning again. Oh, I should have showed it. Perfect lesson. Can you see it? Perfect lesson. Oh, now I got the TMU ads. I get stuck with some ads and this at the end of it.
Want to experience no ads and unlimited?
No, I don't. Sometimes I like the ads. As a matter of fact, I was watching an ad once a couple months ago. And before that fake demic that went around, the pandemic, yes, I guess you can tell what side of the aisle I fall on right now. Is I think that was a joke. But we definitely responded incorrectly to that.
Braised pork ribs, shrimp congee. You must buy this
You
here.
be quiet. You be quiet. There we go. So anyway, I would run every night after I get home from work, and I hate running. I watched very carefully what I ate and drank, and you can tell I dropped the ball there. And I'm never going to give up that. Never. So I was, turn this rock down, 117 day streak. I was, at that point, 272 pounds. And section 2, I can go back to section 1, can I? Yes, I can. Well, there's the next section too. I'm in this one, the pink one. That's the next section. So anyway, I don't know why I did that. Let's close this off. No, I want to go back to section 2 for now. I found an app called Roinn. So I used that. I downloaded the app because I watched the ad. And I've since trying to start back up to running. I lost, so I was 272 pounds. I lost 60 pounds running. I couldn't run 50 yards. And then it got to the point, because I did it consistently, one of the women at church told me, I joined the 5K church group. Okay, thank you, baby. Where we would run 5K every Saturday morning. Of course, I ended up walking almost most of it. But she was a coach, a running coach, a fitness coach, and she told me to watch the lights on the pathway. Run 2, walk 1. Run 2, walk, like that. At first I did it even. Run 1, walk 1. Run 1, walk 1. So it got to the point where I would stretch it. So I finally ran 5K nonstop. I didn't have the fastest time, but I did it. So then I started running after work every day. And I was doing 10K a day. Like I really was. It was, from my house down to this major street was about just under 5K. So I would run there and I would run back nonstop. So probably more like 9.5K. I was doing that almost every day. I was getting fit. I was doing great. And yada, 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 I'm fat again. So now I'm trying to do it all over. So lesson's done for today. Brief history is done. Gora Maga. And Slango 4. Slanchava.